Hi everyone, welcome back to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. This is Kathy and I'm excited to share another reveal. Today I'll be sharing the Fill a Wagon stamp set. This is a clear 4x6 stamp set that has super cute images that are really very versatile. It comes with a wagon and then it has 3 accessories so that you can fill up your wagon with some fun stars and bunting, or the pumpkins, or the Texas flag with the blue bonnets. It also comes with 2 sentiments that read "Happy Together." The wagon measures about 2 3/4 inches by 2 inches. The bunting measures 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 inches. The pumpkins measure 2 1/4 by 2 inches. And the Texas flag measures 1 3/4 by 1 1/2 inches. The word "together" is 3 1/4 inches long by 3/4 of an inch tall, and the word "happy" measures 1 3/4 inches by 1/4 inch. And with the line that's drawn underneath the word "happy," that sits quite nicely right on top of the wagon. I do have a couple of samples to share with you today, and for my first sample I used the Slimline Scenic Window die so I could create a little pumpkin patch. For my second sample, I used the Slimline Film Strip die, and I used the bunting with the stars. And my inspiration was a 4th of July parade and decided that the little pug from the Wrinkles stamp set would be perfect to go in the center wagon. For my final sample, I used the Texas flag with the blue bonnets, and being that I live in Texas, I adore the flag with the blue bonnets because blue bonnets are so pretty, and in the springtime they pop up everywhere. And I do think that these images would also go perfectly with the Fill a Truck stamp set. For more information about the products used, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.